I chose Hunter Business School the day that I entered the campus because I loved the ambience. I enjoyed seeing all the classes. It looked very intriguing.
My time here was great. I met a lot of great people. This is one of them. Had great teachers, very professional, and always going above and beyond to help me get through my classes.
The staff is great. They're very flexible. And as me being an adult starting over, they gave me such excellent help.
I will be working as a patient scheduler at Wagner Passeri Radiology.
The amount of information that we covered was so much that I knew that 10 months of this course, I was going to end up learning a lot. And by the end, I knew that I would be well prepared for graduation.
Miss H, she's an incredible teacher. She helps you. If you got any questions, she's right there for you. She be at everything. If you need like a minute before class, she's right there with you.
I was always looking forward into getting into the medical field, especially after I lost my father last year due to health issues. So I just wanted to make a difference in the world.
My medical assistant experience at Hunter was incredible. I got to learn hands-on experience like doing venipuncture, doing urinalysis, all types of things, EKGs, learning blood pressure. It was definitely a great opportunity for me to learn.
Personally, with the web design program, I really enjoyed that it was remote. And so even when I had to go travel and take care of family, I was still able to attend classes and make sure I was getting all my work done.
I want to say thank you for everybody that's pushed me to it. My fiance, my mentor, my close friend, my sister, and my son. So I did it not only for me and for him, so he can see no matter what, if life is hard, but you have to keep pushing, you have to see for the future.